Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about UCIL apprentice jobs for 2021. If you want to know the apprentice vacancy details and if you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is given in the description box. Alternatively, Freshers Now website also will give you the information. Plus, to apply the post to the post directly, all of the links will be placed in one page itself in Freshers Now website. Don't forget to check it out. And join us through Telegram because you will get regular job updates. Link is provided in the description box. UCIL has opened its vacancy for 1 year apprentice vacancy trades under various departments of trades which are mentioned in this particular table. It is for fitter, electrician, welder, turner, machinist, instrument mechanic, mechanical diesel mechanic, carpenter, plumber, etc. Now, to whichever trades that you are applying to, you should have the eligible ITI trade certificate. So, for fitter, you should have fitter trade certificate. Electrician, you have electrician ITI trade. Here is the number of posts which are mentioned. And according to the unit wise, the vacancies are divided. So the place of posting or the place of division also is going to be according to the units which are mentioned here. Heading over to the vacancies for the reservation category. Now the candidates for SC, ST, EWS and OBC NCL will given the reservation according to the government directives and apprenticeship rules. Also for the same applicable for the physically handicapped. 3% of the vacancies are reserved for PWD category candidates. Qualification required is as follows. 10th standard with ITI is required with the age bar of 25 years as dated on 29th of October 2021. The guidelines for relaxation is 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, NCL candidates. Now candidates, if you have already undergone training period or if you are currently undergoing any training period, you are not eligible to apply. The stipend also, they did not mention any amount, but it will be given according to the minimum wage of the apprenticeship rules as given here. The selection procedure is going to be on merit basis according to the application or according to the documents that you are providing. The candidates will be further shortlisted and the marks which you have obtained in the ITI in the respective trades will be taken into consideration. Other allowances for accommodation are not provided during the training. And if you want to apply, you can visit the portal which is given here. First, you have to register yourself, get the registration number which is going to be something like this. After that, move on to the application process, fill in all your details, your biodata, all of the relevant details in the application form. Don't leave the application form empty, like leave some of the blanks, don't leave like that. Fill in all of the details in the application form because incomplete applications will be rejected. Then checklist these documents which are matriculation. So as you can see, matriculation, caste, medical, photo and signature, Aadhaar card and PAN card and Aadhaar card which is linked to the bank account. This is the checklist that you have to keep, which means these are the documents that you have to keep ready, scanned and upload to the application form. After registering online, you should then go to apprenticeship opportunities, then select a designated trade and you can wish to apply. From this date of advertisement 29th of October 2021, the further scrutiny will be further made. And application received after the date will not be taken into consideration, and make sure that there is no provision of employment after the training period. This is just going to be the only 1 year training period for EX-ITI, and make sure that you are fulfilling the eligibility criteria, the norms which are given as mentioned. If the candidate is found misconduct or any sort of canvassing or any duplication of documents, you will be further rejected from any stage of the training process or the selection process. Candidates holding ITI certificate only should apply, and who are waiting for their certificates, please don't apply. So only you have designated ITI certificate, only then please start applying. Next, interested candidates, you can apply through NAPS portal. The links are provided here itself, so you can just click on the link and start your application procedure. And if you are willing to check your results or if you want to know about any updates, check the official website. Now there is another thing which the organization is mentioning regarding the preference land displaced person project. So if you are under one of those kind of preference based category. Now you can see you have to submit all of the supporting documents as mentioned and send it to this particular address under the preference section or the preference project based section. So if you are under that and if you are willing to give, support all of the relevant documents with your application and send it to the officials before the last date. And if you want to have further communication, you can mail them for further communication to this particular email. Check out the important dates as mentioned. Online registration will start from 9th of October. Last date is gone 29th of October. Don't wait till the last day. Next is for proformas. So proformas, in the sense you will have an idea how to attach your certificates and what are the certificate declarations that you have to make sure. Now this is for the declaration of employee who is applying for the apprentice. You have to fill in all of the basic biodata. You have to give your declaration. And next is the certificate for the project affected people. I've mentioned already, whoever is applying under project preference based, you have to attach this declaration along with the supporting documents. The next one is for the proforma for the land displaced person, for LDP, and the next one is, again they have mentioned the vacancy list. So this is again a repetition, and here is the end of the notification. So as you can see, they mentioned the official website once again. Check it time to time for any updates or latest information. So if you have further doubts, place them in the comment section. Subscribe and thank you for watching.